Let me stop you right there, because if you have been scrolling around looking for the best travel experience that actually delivers on every single promise, honey, you just found it. Alaska cruises are absolutely dominating the bucket list scene for seniors in 2024. And trust me, there is a very good reason for that. We are talking glaciers, so massive they will make your jaw hit the deck, wildlife encounters that no zoo could ever compete with, and a level of comfort and convenience that makes this the smartest way to explore one of the most stunning places on the entire planet. No packing and unpacking at every stop, no stressful driving on unfamiliar roads, just pure, effortless adventure served up on a silver platter. So, if you have been typing things like Best Alaska Cruise for Seniors or Alaska Cruise Tips into that search bar, consider yourself officially in the right place, because we are about to spill everything. Now, you might be wondering, why specifically a cruise for exploring Alaska? The answer comes down to one powerful word: convenience. For seniors, cruise travel offers an unmatched combination of comfort and simplicity that other travel formats simply cannot match. Imagine having your accommodations, meals and transportation all bundled into one seamless experience. Your floating hotel moves with you, carrying you from one stunning destination to the next without any hassle. One of the biggest advantages is that you unpack just once for the entire journey. No dragging luggage between hotels, no stressful check-ins at multiple locations, and no worrying about arranging separate transportation. Everything is thoughtfully handled for you. This stress-free format allows seniors to focus entirely on enjoying the breathtaking scenery and creating unforgettable memories, making cruise travel genuinely one of the smartest and most enjoyable choices for older adventurers. Now that you know why Alaska cruises are such a perfect fit for seniors, let's talk about timing, because choosing the right time to sail can make a huge difference in your overall experience. The Alaska cruise season runs from May through September, and each month has something unique to offer. June and July are considered the sweet spot, delivering the warmest temperatures, the most stable weather, and those incredible long daylight hours that give you more time to soak in the scenery. But if you prefer a quieter, more relaxed experience, May and September are worth considering. These shoulder months typically mean fewer fellow travelers on board and at the ports, and cruise prices can be noticeably lower. So whether you prioritize sunshine and wildlife activity or savings and solitude, there is a perfect Alaska sailing window just for you. Now that you know the best time to cruise, let's talk about choosing the right route. There are two main Alaska cruise options, and understanding the difference can really shape your experience. The first is the Inside Passage, which is a round-trip journey departing and returning to the same port, typically Seattle or Vancouver. This is a wonderful option for seniors who prefer the simplicity of flying in and out of one city. The second option is the Gulf of Alaska route, a one-way journey that travels between Vancouver and Anchorage, or vice versa. This route covers more diverse scenery, but requires coordinating flights to and from different cities. If you prefer simplicity, the Inside Passage is your best bet, while adventurous travelers may love the one-way Gulf experience. Now let's talk about the incredible ports you'll visit along the way. First up is Juneau, Alaska's capital city, where you can marvel at the stunning Mendenhall Glacier, a massive river of ice just minutes from downtown. Next is Ketchikan, often called the salmon capital of the world, famous for its colorful totem poles and rich native Alaskan culture. Then there's Skagway, a beautifully preserved gold rush town that takes you straight back to the 1890s, full of history and charm around every corner. Finally, Sitka offers a fascinating blend of Russian and native Alaskan heritage, with breathtaking ocean views and incredible wildlife nearby. Each port delivers its own unique flavor, ensuring that every day of your cruise brings a brand new and unforgettable adventure waiting to be discovered. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting parts of any Alaska cruise, the shore excursions. The great news for seniors is that Alaska offers plenty of low-impact activities that are both enjoyable and manageable. Whale-watching tours are an absolute favorite, allowing you to witness magnificent humpback whales breaching right before your eyes. The White Pass and Yukon Route Railroad in Skagway offers a breathtaking scenic train ride through stunning mountain landscapes without requiring any strenuous physical effort. Glacier viewing excursions let you marvel at ancient ice formations up close, while cultural visits to native Alaskan heritage sites provide deeply enriching and meaningful experiences. The most important thing to remember is choosing excursions that genuinely match your personal mobility and fitness level. Always read excursion descriptions carefully, noting terrain difficulty and walking distances before booking anything. One of the most magical aspects of an Alaska cruise is the incredible wildlife you will encounter along the way. Imagine standing on your ship's deck and watching humpback whales breach the surface just a short distance away. Alaska's waters and coastlines are home to orcas, sea otters, bald eagles, brown bears, and the charming tufted puffins. These sightings are not rare occurrences, but rather regular highlights that passengers look forward to each day. What makes this even more special for seniors is that cruise ships frequently slow down or come to a complete stop near known wildlife hotspots. This gives everyone on board ample time to observe, photograph, and truly appreciate these magnificent creatures without any physical strain. No hiking required, just breathtaking nature right from the comfort of your deck. Taking care of your health and mobility needs is essential for enjoying your Alaska cruise to the fullest. When booking your cabin, try to choose one closer to elevators to minimize long walks through the ship's corridors. Before departure, consult your doctor to ensure you are fit for travel and discuss any potential concerns related to sea motion or altitude changes during excursions. Make sure to bring all necessary medications in sufficient quantities, keeping them in your carry-on luggage for easy access. Travel insurance is absolutely something every senior should look into, as it covers unexpected medical emergencies and trip cancellations. The good news is that most modern cruise ships are exceptionally well equipped with accessibility features, including wheelchair-friendly pathways, accessible restrooms, and mobility assistance services, making cruising genuinely comfortable for seniors with limited mobility. Now that you know what to expect on an Alaska cruise, let's talk about choosing the right cruise line. For seniors, Holland America, Princess Cruises, and Celebrity Cruises consistently stand out as top choices. Holland America is beloved for its classic, refined atmosphere and enrichment programs like cooking demonstrations and guest lectures. Princess Cruises offers a relaxed pace with excellent dining variety and comfortable staterooms, perfect for older travelers. Celebrity Cruises brings a more modern touch with exceptional wellness amenities and sophisticated onboard experiences. When comparing cruise lines, pay close attention to ship size, as smaller ships can access more intimate ports. Also, evaluate onboard activities, dining flexibility, and most importantly, the quality of medical facilities available. Choosing wisely ensures your Alaska adventure is safe, comfortable, and absolutely unforgettable from start to finish. Now let's talk about packing, because what you bring can truly make or break your Alaska cruise experience. Alaska weather is famously unpredictable, so layering is absolutely your best strategy. Start with moisture-wicking base layers, add a warm fleece or sweater in the middle, and always top it off with a waterproof, windproof jacket. Pack comfortable walking shoes with good grip for exploring ports safely. Waterproof boots are also a smart addition. Do not forget to bring binoculars, because spotting humpback whales or bald eagles from the deck is an experience you will not want to miss. If you use any personal medical equipment like a CPAP machine or mobility aids, ensure those are packed and ready. Dressing in layers keeps you comfortable from morning glacier views to evening dinners on board. Planning your Alaska cruise budget is essential for a stress-free experience. Cruise fares typically range from $1,000 to $5,000 or more per person, depending on the cruise line, cabin type, and sailing duration. Beyond the base fare, factor in additional expenses like shore excursions, which can cost $100 to $300 each, daily gratuities averaging $15 to $18 per person, specialty dining, and souvenirs. To maximize your savings, book early to secure the best cabin rates and promotional offers. Always ask about senior discounts, as many cruise lines offer special pricing for older travelers. Traveling during shoulder season, meaning May or September, can significantly reduce costs while still delivering an incredible experience. Setting a realistic budget up front ensures you enjoy every magical moment without financial worry. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever cruised Alaska before, or is this incredible destination sitting right at the top of your bucket list? Drop your answer in the comments below, because I genuinely read every single one of them. Whether you are a seasoned Alaska cruiser with tips and stories to share, or someone who is just starting to dream about those glaciers and whale sightings, your experience and thoughts could be exactly what someone else needs to finally take that leap and book their trip. So do not be shy. Let us build this wonderful travel community together, one comment at a time.